Hey, what's going on YouTube? If you're new to the channel, my name is D and I represent New Touch Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install these hexagon headlight and tail light tints. You want to learn how to do so? Let's go ahead and go through the video. All right, so welcome back. Now we got these hexagon lights that we're going to install, and they got pretty much like a rainbow effect, holographics. We're gonna go ahead and do the install on them. We're gonna do the headlights and tail lights, but in this video, I'm gonna show you just the headlights. So as we come over, we're gonna do this side. Before we start, go ahead and clean your lights. Apply your alcohol to make sure you clean off all the dirt and debris. And then you can go ahead and start with the installation. Now on the outside, you can use tape if you're good, but if you're not, I'm just gonna put it in the video that we're gonna put tape around it. We just wrapped this vehicle, so therefore we wanna make sure everything stays settled. And then we're gonna go ahead and go around it. We'll remove everything when we're done. This video here is just pretty much gonna take you through the course. No explanation of how to do this and how to do that. Just showing you how to do so. But if you wanna learn how to add tail light tints or headlight tints to your vehicle, check out the video up top. Thank y'all for watching. Let's get to it. So here's the final results. You got the hexagon effect and you got the holographics inside that light all in one. Now these lights are translucent, so the light does come through. And then you got the matching up part when you look at the wrap. This vinyl wrap has the same effect. If you're interested in seeing the full vehicle, click that link at the end of the video. Now this is something you can pretty much do to customize your vehicle. These are the type things you do. Pretty much makes you stand out a little bit more. Now my subscribers, man, thank y'all. I appreciate y'all for checking out this video and subscribing. For those who haven't, please feel free to do so and hit that subscribe button. Now we're gonna go ahead and finish off the rear. And until then, thank y'all for watching. See y'all on the next video.